Hey guys, Uncle Mike here again from Clearview, and as you can guess, I'm pretty wrapped. Have a look at the response to the Clearview next gen mirrors. We've been working tirelessly 6 days a week to try and bring you these. We've had a few hiccups and a few challenges with COVID, and we've had trouble getting cars for testing. But since the COVID and the rules relaxed a little bit, we've managed to get some vehicles in. We've got through most of our testing. We're still trying to get more product in, because as fast as we can get them in, we're trying to fill orders for you guys. So please be patient with us. I thank you so much for your support, and maybe I'll see you out there on the road sometime soon. Take care.